Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I have my CVS haul for you guys. So one of you guys last week had mentioned why I didn't roll my extra care bucks. So what I'm starting to do now with my hauls is I'm having the extra care bucks printed in my hauls so you guys can see that the extra care buck is printing, because I find that that's really helpful for you guys. So again, I have note cards to help you guys out with breakdowns, and then also, so let's just go ahead and jump into the haul. So I have quite a few things to go over, so hopefully you guys can, stay with me here, because it might be a little confusing, it might not, but let's just go ahead and hop into it. Okay, you guys, so the first deal I did was on the Nexus. So Nexus is buy two and get a $12 extra care buck. So these conditioners are priced for $11.99 each. I featured this in my in-store couponing video. So they're $11.99 each. If you have a 4 off 18 CRT like I did, you would pay $19.98, but then you get back that $12 extra care buck, making it $7.98. But my total was lower because I had a 25% off email coupon. So that took off an additional $2.50, and then I rolled $10 from extra care bucks last week. So I ended up paying $8.83, and then my $12 extra care buck printed, and then I got another 4 off 30 purchase that printed at my receipt. So that was that deal right there. So then this next transaction I did, I had a 8 off 60 CRT. So I have a lot of things here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into it. So first thing is the Physicians Formula. So Physicians Formula is spend 10, get a 7. So I picked up one of the brow gels, so they are $11.99. I had a 4 off 1 coupon from the value pack for my mom's mail. So I ended up paying $7.99, and then I got back the $7 extra care buck right here, which made it 99 cents. So then the Captain Crunch, these guys are 2 for $5. There was a $1 off 2 coupon from the 8.5 Retail Me Not. Thank you, Vicky Fellers. So final cost was 2 for $4, and Captain Crunch Quaker is a bonus brand on Fetch Rewards. So I went ahead and picked these up so I can get bonus points for submitting my receipt to Fetch Rewards. If you're new to Fetch, you don't know what Fetch is, there's a video below explaining everything. So this next deal is something I normally wouldn't do, but I had a 8 off 60 CRT, so that's why I went ahead and picked it up. But this is the OGX Dry Shampoo. Now I picked these up because 1, I love dry shampoo, and 2, I love trying new products out for you guys and then letting you know like what I think of them. So these are priced for $6.99 each on sale. So I went ahead and bought 3 of them, came to $20.97. And then you get back a $4 extra care buck, so final cost is $16.97. Now if you have a 4 off 8 CRT for hair care, this would make it an even better deal. I didn't have that, so I wasn't able to get it. So I wasn't able to take an additional $4 off, but I was working with that spend 60, get 8. So here's the extra care buck right here. So the $4 extra care buck for buying 3 of the OGX. Now you could buy stylers like hairspray, mousse. You don't have to do dry shampoo, but I went with dry shampoo. All right, so your girl lives off of dry shampoo. So I have not done anything to my hair this morning other than just throwing it up in a bun. So I thought I would do a first impressions of this guy. So let's see. First, it's gonna be the scent test. So with my dry shampoos, I always just put it up at the root because that's where you're supposed to. The scent is pretty nice. Let's see. Yeah, I think the scent's really nice. So if you want to get some volume added into your hair, this is what you do. You just add it to your root, and then you just kind of, give it a nice shake. Give it a nice shake. That's what you do. So as you can see, I have a little bit more life that's being brought back to my hair. So I think this is going to work out pretty well. So this is how I handle my hair in between washes. And then if you're also wanting to like curl your hair or braid your hair and you want to get it a little bit dirty, dry shampoo is going to give you that dirty hair look, because Dutch braids and just braids in general look better with dirty hair, as well as if you're going to curl your hair, you need like 2-day hair. You don't want to curl your hair off of like freshly washed hair, at least not for mine, because my hair tends to be really silky. Does my bun kind of look like a pineapple? I think it does. Does my bun look like a pineapple? How cool. It could be like a pineapple sprout. Oh my God. Halloween costume. I'm gonna be a pineapple. I'm gonna be a pineapple for Halloween. It's done. It's a done deal. This would be the perfect little stem for a pineapple. Oh my gosh. Okay, so all in all, yeah, I think this dry shampoo did its job. So if you guys wanna go to CVS and pick this up. I highly recommend it. So $6.99, you buy 3 and you get a $4 extra care bucks. So definitely check this out, try it out. If you have that 4 off 18 CRT, definitely give this guy a try. So next thing I picked up was a package of Love's diapers. I needed some diapers. I don't like the CVS brand diapers, so that's why I didn't go CVS brand. They're on sale for $8.99. I like Love's. Something that I found, it's not a good idea to put Sawyer in pull-ups overnight because they do leak. So I went ahead and got him a size 6 diapers for the nighttime. So I've mentioned to you guys in my Target videos to put pull-ups on your kids. That'll be good during the daytime, but definitely wouldn't recommend it overnight. Okay, so next deal is the Irish Spring. So Irish Spring is priced 2 for $8, and you get a $3 extra care buck when you buy 2. And then I had a $1 off 1 coupon. Thank you, Vicky Fellers. And I had a 2 off 8 CRT for body wash. So these came out to 2 for $2 or $1 each. So here is the extra care buck right here that printed out. And then my final deal I did was on the L'Oreal. You guys commented on my in-store video and said, yes, Gina, pick this up and try it out for us. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So I picked up the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Scented Eyeshadow Palette. So this is probably gonna be like a dupe for the Too Faced Peach Palette, which I do have. Well, actually, I think I rehomed that to someone else because I wasn't really a fan of it. Well, it wasn't that I wasn't a fan of it, just I never really reached for it. So L'Oreal is spend 15, get 5. So this guy was priced for $14.99. I had a 30% off CRT for L'Oreal Cosmetics specifically. So that took $4.49 off. There was a $1 off 1 coupon. Thank you, Vicky Fellers, for sending that to me. There's also a 3 off 1 coupon that came in the 8.5 red plum you could use. So final cost is $9.50, and then a $5 extra care buck came back. So this is the extra care buck. And then a new coupon printed at the end of my receipt for next week. So then I used this 8 off 60 CRT for this whole entire purchase. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the additional coupons I had. So this is the 8 off 60 coupon that came off, and then I had a $5 extra care buck from last week. So I ended up paying $38.95, but then I'm gonna get beauty for the L'Oreal, and I think I get beauty for the hair care, and then I'm gonna get beauty for the Physicians Formula. So I paid $38, but then I got back 7, 4, 3, and 5, and then I got that 8 off 60 CRT for next week. So this is my CVS haul for the week. And then I also picked up some photo prints. So if you're ever wanting to get some photos printed, go through your CVS app and then Google promo codes. And usually they'll come up on retailmenot.com. So I was able to take 50% off of my photo purchase, and I was able to print out 23 photos. And then I had a CRT to take 2 off 6 right here. So I got 23 photo prints for $5.10. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. So thank you guys so much for watching my CVS haul. Need to close that cabinet door. Chris needs to shut those doors. So again, I will have my OCD t-shirt in the description box. It just says obsessive couponing disorder. My cashiers loved my shirt, and so many people in store asked me where I got my shirt. So people in store are loving this shirt too. So I'll have it linked below. I also made a few Dollar Tree items, so I'll go ahead and link that store below as well. This shirt is on Bonfire, but then I also made a few pieces on springtea.com. So I have a tote, and then I have 2 t-shirts. So I have 1 shirt on Bonfire, and then I have a few items that are on Teespring. So if you guys want to go and check those out, if you love unicorns, you definitely want to go and check out my shop on Teespring. So I will talk to everyone later. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't checked out our Ask a Couponer videos, we posted those yesterday. So myself, Jeff from Jeff Sazel Coupons, Ashley from Ash Loves Coupons, Llewellyn, Savvy Coupon Shopper, and Nicole Burgess, we all answered your guys' questions. So I will have that video below, and definitely go and check out their videos because we answered your guys' couponing questions. So I hope everyone has a fantastic week, fantastic Sunday with whatever you are doing, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.